Welcome in, everyone. Hi, beautiful people. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Welcome back to It's Natural. I'm Patty. We are officially kicking off day 6 of our 90-day journey. Can you believe it? I'm so happy that you're still here with me. Tonight, we're diving into something truly close to my heart and honestly something that I think we all can relate to, right? It's sleep, or specifically, the lack of sleep. Last night was the very first night in a while that I felt like I really had a good rest, and I ended up waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning. I did, however, go to bed early, but still, I got a really good rest. My body really needed it. So raise your hand if you've ever laid in bed exhausted, but your brain decided it was the perfect time to start reliving your entire life or planning the next 10 years, right? I've been there. I think we all have, correct? There was a time when I was running on empty. No matter how early I went to bed, I just couldn't stay asleep. I'd wake up having to go to the bathroom or wanting something to eat. Then when I started exploring aromatherapy, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. We are going to talk about the power of essential oils for sleep and relaxation and unwinding naturally, beautifully, and so easy to incorporate in your nightly routine. Now, if you're a third shift person, of course, this would be in the morning that you would do this. Essential oil spotlight, there's 5 key players. Let's get into my top 5 essential oils for sleep and relaxation. And we're going to start with lavender. It's a classic. Oh, does not anybody or everybody like the smell of lavender? There's some people that don't. That's okay too. If essential oils were a high school class, lavender, of course, would be voted most likely to get you some sleep. Not only does it help you sleep, but it helps reduce anxiety. It calms your nervous system. It promotes deeper, longer rest. Try placing a few drops in your diffuser, or if you don't have that, you can put it on a cotton ball underneath your pillow or inside your pillowcase. Or even if you want to drop a couple drops on your pillow, you can do that as well. Instant calm, which may bring. Essential oil spotlight number 2 is chamomile. And it's just not tea, but it's also an oil too. It may have the ability to ease anxiety, also may have the ability to reduce muscle tension, and may encourage calm with sleep. It has this soft apple-like aroma that makes you feel instantly soothed. I can tell you that when I smell it, oh my goodness, it puts you in a different mindset. Essential oil spotlight number 3 is Ylang Ylang. This one has a rich floral scent that is luxurious and calming. It may help reduce heart rate and blood pressure, and also may help balance emotions. May also help relieve stress and mental fatigue. It's like bringing a spa into your bedroom. Wouldn't that be great? A spa into your bedroom. Essential oil spotlight number 2 is
Ylang Ylang.
chamomile. And it's
This
just
one
not
has a
tea,
rich floral scent that
but
is
it's also an oil too.
luxurious and
It
calming.
may have
It may
the
help
ability
reduce
to
heart
ease
rate and
anxiety,
blood pressure,
also may
and
have the
also may
ability to
help balance
reduce
emotions,
muscle tension,
may also help
and
relieve
may
stress
encourage
and mental
calm
fatigue.
with sleep.
It's like bringing a
It has this
spa
soft
into your bedroom.
apple-like
Wouldn't
aroma
that be great?
that
A
makes you feel
spa
instantly
into your
soothed.
bedroom.
I can tell you that when I smell it,
Essential
oh my
oil
goodness,
spotlight number 3
it puts you in a different
is
mindset.
Ylang Ylang. This one has a
Essential oil spotlight number 4 is frankincense. Oh my goodness. Frankincense is one of my favorite grounding before bed. Not only it may reduce stress, but it may promote peace and clarity. Not only does frankincense help with sleep and rest and relaxation, but in the olden biblical days, it was used as a antibacterial, antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It was a very pricey oil. It was like gold, and it can be great for meditation and just winding down. Essential oil spotlight number 5 is cedarwood. Would you ever think cedarwood? Cedarwood is earthy, grounding, and an amazing for your nighttime routine. Cedarwood, oh, once you smell it, it feels like you're in the outdoors, walking through a forest with these tall, magnificent trees surrounding you, and just the bark of the trees just puts you into a deep peace. It not only may calm your mind, but it helps your body unwind, get it settled down. It also may improve sleep quality. It pairs beautifully with lavender for a woodsy, calming blend. Now let's make simple, calming sleep blends that you can use even right now or tonight. The recipe for a sleep blend would be 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of cedarwood, 1 drop of frankincense, and you can add maybe 1 drop of Ylang Ylang for your floral notes, and maybe 1 drop of chamomile for extra relaxation. Now you want to mix your oils with about 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil. A carrier oil is either sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, coconut, fractionated coconut oil, which is a liquid. It's not the hard coconut oil, because that you can use the hard coconut oil. You're just going to have to melt it down. But if it's already in its form, in the liquid form, which is the fractionated coconut oil, which is perfectly fine, you can use that. So how do you use it? You're going to massage it onto your neck and chest, okay? You can dab it on your wrist as well, okay? You can add it to a warm bath. You can put it in your diffuser if you have one near your bed. And then let's build a relaxing ritual to get the most from your oil. So before bed, you want to dim your lights. Diffuse your blend or apply to your pulse points. Pulse points here, okay? And your pulse points are also right here. Like you can feel your pulse on either side of your neck right here, okay? Your main one is over on your right side, right about here, okay? Find a quiet, cozy spot, whether it's in your room or another room, wherever you feel that it's quiet and cozy for you. Sit or lay down comfortably. Now breathe with me. Inhale in through your nostrils for 4 seconds. 3, 4. You're going to hold it, okay? Now exhale slowly. You're going to repeat this 4 times. So inhale in through your nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. And breathe out through your mouth. Do that 2 more times. Inhale through your nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth. Let's do it one more time. Inhale through your nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. And exhale. Don't you feel good already? Visualize your body relaxing from your toes to your head. Let the aroma surround you and signal your body that it's time to rest. Aromatherapy is gentle, a natural way to promote better sleep. Oils like lavender, chamomile, ylang ylang, and frankincense can be your new time. And cedarwood, we can't forget cedarwood, could be your new nighttime allies. Creating a calming ritual helps your body and mind transition into a true rest. So sometimes it's really difficult at night when you've got so many things to do the next day that you're constantly thinking about, oh, what do I have to do next? But try to put yourself in a nice, calming state and just relax. No noise in the background, no soothing music. Just try to calm your mind. The less distractions you have around you, the better. I always say just start what you have. So if you have essential oils now, look around and see if you have any of these. But if you're looking for something reliable, it's natural, offers a few essential oils that I personally use in my routine. And you can check those out in the description below. So try this blend tonight. Let me know how it works in the comments. Did you tweak it? Do you have a favorite oil that you should use or I should try? Comment below and let's talk about it. And if you're enjoying this 90-day series, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you don't miss what's next. Your rest is sacred and it's natural. So if you're going to sleep now, good night. Or if you're sleeping during the day, have a good restful nap. Good night, beautiful people. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And don't forget to check the description down below because there's a special gift for you. An ebook download called Naturally You, a beginner's guide to living an all-natural lifestyle, just for you. So make sure you get your copy down below. See you next time.